plane just hit it.
It's a terrorist attack.
It's getting ready.
14, 13, 12, 11,
fireworks.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year!
Wow, I can't believe it.
I have the wrong
Oh my gosh, look at the fireworks.
Wow.
Oh, they're imploding
so
the building.
Oh my goodness, you said that a few seconds earlier.
How cool would that be in there?
Surprise.
Oh man, imagine anybody dying in there.
You can hear it. God, listen to that. It must be really loud.
There's a lot way back there.
All the people on the bridge. Well, oh my gosh, look at it
There's
in
like
the distance.
4 or 5
There's
shows
tons
going
of
on
them.
over there.
Wow.
Wow, that must be in Arlington. Wow. It looks like it's coming out of the ball.
It's the year. Happy 2019.
Wow, 2018. That sounds like so long. 2018, that's a long time.
This year
Making me feel old. Are they actually shooting off the top of the building?
They're coming from the ground.
Some of them are the ground, but some are from the top, I think.
Yes.
I feel like it's Epcot. When I see the ball. Wow, look at all the ones in the distance.
Who do you think is this?
We're over there. We don't have any music, Dave.
Austin, sing.
Sing it, sing, Austin.
Please don't.
Oh, anxiety.
That's so sad.
Theme from Titanic.
Oh gosh. Look, where's the spotlight coming from?
Police department.
There's one down that I thought was on that park on the
Oh,
street where they have those weddings.
oh, by the Rolex building?
Yeah.
Oh.
So I think what that might be.
We have sound effects from Dave. It is pretty cool.
It does look like it.
Wow, look at that.
Looks like it's straight from the beginning.
Oh my gosh, that plane does look close. Or is that a helicopter getting pictures? It looks like it's just standing there.
It just went back the other way that it came from, so I'm pretty sure
Or do you think it's a
helicopter.
drone? Do you think it's a drone?
I don't think you can see a drone.
Is it a helicopter then?
But not for this.
I think it's a plane.
It's a bird.
A plane can't go backwards.
It's reindeer. It's
It's
Rudolph.
Santa!
It's Santa.
This thing?
What?
Santa
What are
got
you talking
There's
confused.
a red dot.
There was a dot that went towards the
Oh.
fireworks and then away.
Missed the whole thing, Austin.
I thought you guys were stuck on this spotlight. I'm like, that's clearly from the ground, people.
I think that's a helicopter.
Look at all the policemen on the bridge.
Tell them to clear out.
Move, people, move. Move or I
Way to
shoot.
start all
Move or I shoot.
Look way up in the distance, you can see a whole bunch of fireworks.
Yeah.
Yeah, said that.
God, there's so many. It's like fountains.
I'm so latched to
I was about to say that.
Oh, look, there's a Spain flag in that guy's office.
Cool.
Huh.
And another
That looks
one.
like Norway, I think.
Oh, there's another helicopter. See if it comes away too. It's going straight through them. Oh my gosh.
And it's gone.
That might be a plane.
Remember how we had in Pride we thought those two planes were gonna collide because we had no depth perception? Do you remember that at the Fiesta Bowl? I was with Kurt. I was standing with Kurt. But it's almost the same
You
thing.
think that's a
Yeah,
plane or do you think
there.
that's a helicopter?
Ow.
Is it turning around?
It was really. We were really bored. We were having to take a picture, and we
It's
were all
probably
I
just
think it's a
standing there.
helicopter.
Nothing
Yeah,
was
I
doing.
think you're right.
And so we'd watch these planes like come closer and closer. So we're going, oh, and then they came closer. They almost hit each other. We thought they did. Obviously, they were obviously at different altitudes, but we were like,
So like what?
it was fun.
They're firing into the ground now.
Trying to disperse the crowd.
Great
Remember when we
colors.
spent our first New Year's
If you're trying
together?
to-
This is Reunion Tower 1, ready for launch. Reunion Tower 1, you're good to launch.
You remember we were freezing and we were watching Jimmy Eat World
World,
Where were you?
in
yeah.
Arizona?
Arizona.
It was freezing? I thought Arizona was hot.
Not when it's a desert
Like
at
cold.
Not
night.
when it's cold.
Did they not have a covered stadium?
No, it was an
Ooh.
outdoor
Oh, I was
block
like,
party.
We had to
Oh,
go.
oh,
They wouldn't
yeah.
let us leave.
on taking me.
Look at those sparkly things. I like those. They're like
Those
Tinkerbells.
are fireworks.
Every time one of those explodes, a fairy dies.
Good thing Julia's not here.
She's start
She's
crying.
been crying.
She likes fairies.
Tinkerbell is her favorite thing,
Oh,
other than, everything else that's her favorite
Other
thing.
than
Star
Star
Wars,
Wars.
Harry Potter,
woo! Look at that.
Stranger Things.
That's an interesting.
Stranger Things 11.
I like theirs because it's so different than regular fireworks because
Disney.
you're seeing them coming out of the ball.
Being
That's so cool.
This fireworks show is sponsored by Pepsi.
You guys.
Is that a Pepsi? That's not Pepsi on there, is it?
It looks like a Pepsi logo, but no.
It's a French flag.
Mm.
Now I think
It's Earth.
Earth.
They're blowing up Earth.
Oh, there's the flag.
Austin.
America.
What's flashing on the bridge now? It's trying to make me blind.
That's officer shooting people.
Oh gosh, stop saying that. It's awful.
It's someone shining their light in here, just like sending Morse code.
Morse
Yeah.
code. Help! Help
Translate it.
me!
Let's translate it.
We're on our way.
Need clean
USA.
pants.
Oh,
What did you say?
Need
Doesn't need to be in the left.
Morlin! More fireworks. Is that the finale?
I don't know. I'll let you know when it's over, though.
Okay. Thanks, Austin. You're such a nice guy.
USA.
Oh, it says USA.
I saw SR.
Where are we at?
Us.
USSR.
USSR.
In the USSR.
USSR. Uh-oh, it's going out.
That
In the
was
USA.
2018.
That's a problem.
That's probably, yeah.
And then it will say, "Oh, you."
Boomer.